New Casio GShock step tracking watches with tough solar now available in EU. Casio has released 2 of its new GShock GA-B010 watches in various countries across Europe, already available in the UK. This is a hybrid model that can be used to track your step count. Other features include Bluetooth connectivity, support for world time and tough solar charging. The Casio GShock GA-B010A and GA-B010-3A watches are now available in more European countries, following their recent release in the UK. This is a new solar-powered digital model that offers step at the Casio online store in countries like the Netherlands, Spain, and Germany. You can now buy the GShock GA-B010A black case strap, positive display, and GA-B010-3A khaki case strap, positive display watches for €169 each. Customers are offered free delivery in 2 to 3 business days. Casio's GShock GA-B010 features a new module designed to reduce power consumption compared to the brand's older step tracking models. It can operate solely on solar power, automatically counting your steps when movement is detected. You can view your current daily step count in the dedicated indicator in the top right-hand side of the face or on the inset LCD screen. Plus, if you have been inactive for a period of time, the watch can alert you to encourage you to move. Thanks to Bluetooth support, users of the GShock GA-B010 can view a step log in the Casio Watches app on their phone. Here, you can also access features like phone finder and automatic time adjustments. This model supports world time, and there are on-watch tools like a stopwatch, a timer, and daily alarms. The watch has a rugged design, with the carbon core guard structure and a chunky resin casing and strap. It remains to be seen when these Casio GShock GA-B010 watches could be released in North America.